Hi guys, I'm going to tell you in this tutorial that how you can use this unallocated partition. Actually, I'm going to add this unallocated partition in my C drive. Okay, so let's begin. Let's close it. You need this Partition Assistant Pro software. I will give you the download link in the description so you can find it there. After installation, click open. Then you can see here all partitions. Right click on this partition and click on move partition. Okay, then drag this to right and click OK. Similarly, click on the D drive and choose move partition and drag it and click OK. As you can see, now we have our unallocated drive just beside the C drive. So now click on the C drive, then choose resize partition, then drag it by clicking on it like this, then click OK. So you can see that now we have unallocated disk in our C drive. Okay, so click on apply finally. Okay, then now at last click here, proceed and click yes. Okay, it will take some time, I think. So okay guys, so it took around 20 to 35 minutes, and as you can see here, all operations have been completed successfully. So click OK and close this, and now let's check once again the C drive. As you can see, I have now 35 GB free space. Now let me show you from the disk management that there is unallocated drive still available there or not. So you can see that I do not have the unallocated drive now. So this is how you can use your unallocated drive if you have. Thanks for watching this video.